Alright folks, I'm gonna brag a little bit on this saw. A Stihl MS 391 20-inch bar on it. This has became my favorite saw. I can tackle big wood. It's light enough to use on the small wood. It don't kill my back as bad. I was gonna buy a 400, and a buddy of mine sold me this saw, and I kind of regret I bought it, because I bought it without using it. But I trust him, and he goes, "You're gonna like the saw." He went down to a 261. This used to be one he carried on his bucket truck all the time, but he wanted to go down to a 261. And this has become my favorite saw. It's got all the horsepower you need. It's light enough you can run it for hours, even at my age. If you haven't tried one, I've got a couple Stihl chainsaws, but this is my favorite. I got a 066, so I got a 3-foot bar on it, but you got to plan and you got to prepare to run that bad boy, because it takes a man to run it, and you just can't run a saw and work hard 2 days, and that third day for me decide I'm gonna get out that 3-foot bar, because it ain't gonna happen. That 3-foot bar usually comes out at the first of the week where I got a lot of energy. So check out the 391. I'm sure you're gonna love it like I have. All right, let's see if I can get my forks in here to get another piece rolled up. All right, let's get up there now. Come on. All right, I'm gonna try to bend down in and try to explain what I'm doing. I'm using my forks to move this wood. It's raining every 15 or 20 minutes. I just can't sit in the house no more, so I come down here, try to slice and dice a little bit more of this wood, use my forks a little bit. Had a gentleman commented saying I believe I'd use a set of log tongs and pull the woods out that way. Well, believe it or not, I have a pair. If you go back to my old videos, I used them. But not this tractor, but my old tractor that I sold to my neighbor. First time I used a set of log tongs, I put it on a set of logs and I picked it up, and it was a short, about a 6-foot piece. And what it did was, I picked it up and the log swung out and it come back and it tore the headlights off my tractor. So I hadn't been a fan of them. It has this purpose. I still use them. I usually have a boom off the back, and I'll use them that way. I backtracked up and pull them out that way if I'm in the woods. I've used them that way, but I try, as long as I got these forks and I've got a set of grapples, I leave the log tongs alone. But I do, if you don't have that and you just got a boom or your front end loader, they do work, but you got to be careful, because you can't wipe out a set of headlights and a hood like I did. All right, I need to get some of this wood out of here. So I'm gonna show you how I use my forks for that too. I got too much wood at my feet. I need to clear it. See if I got the camera right. Yeah. What I like to do is I put my forks in close. And I have my forks instead of level, I incline them a little bit. That way, they don't roll off. Probably need to have them a little bit more back than I got them. Let me aim this back a little bit more. if you caught it, but you seen that wood, it went backwards, and that's what I wanted. Now I know this is touching the woods a couple times, and I could have just easily brought the wood splitter down here and split it right here, but I'm trying to get rid of this wood because I've probably got another load of this red oak coming in. So I don't do this every time, but if you notice, when I was cutting, I rolled pieces of wood out of the way. I try to make me a path in case something does go wrong. My feet ain't tangled up so much that I can't move. Even if it's not but an inch, sometimes an inch is all you need. So what I use these forks like this, and I get the wood out of the pile, and then I'm gonna dump it up here where we're gonna split probably Thursday or Friday. This wood is heavy. Look out, Ray. So it's getting awful dark, and it's probably going to start raining here in a minute, and that's going to be the end of the video. But at least I got a little bit done today. Instead of being cooped up in a house watching YouTube all day, which ain't nothing wrong with that if that's what you like. But I'd rather be down here in the wood yard. And here comes the rain, folks. I hear it hitting the awning up there. So we're gonna let you go. Little video, the best I can do today. I don't want Rosie to get wet. So stay tuned. We're gonna split a lot of wood in the next couple of days when it quits raining. So appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate all the comments. Y'all take care. Hit that like button. Please subscribe. And I'm breathing hard because this wood is heavy. It is water running out of it. So, y'all stay tuned, folks. We got a lot of wood to work up. From Rosie and myself, my wife is taking care of goats and taking care of our daughter's animals. I told her I was just gonna come down here for a minute. So I hate you, mister. She don't want to get wet. So, appreciate y'all. Y'all take care of one another. Check on your family and friends, because you're not promised tomorrow. Appreciate y'all. This is Wreck Outdoors. And I hope you can see my head. Ow. Road, we finna get wet. You don't want to get wet, do you? I don't need it. All right.